Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 27 of Build the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car, in 1/8 scale from our good old mates over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me this beautiful model, follow the link to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this iconic car and doing brum brum noises with me. Right, let's have a quick scoot through the magazine and see what we got this week. This week we got the rear axle and springs for the suspension, and they're going to be fitted to our chassis assembly. So you're going to need that from the previous issues that we've been working on. Nice and simple assembly stage today. There's the two halves of the axle going together. A few DSO2 screws. We're then going to put the differential cover on. Drop the springs in place. And then we're going to fit this to the rear end of our chassis with some PS28 screws. And that's what we're going to end up with at the end, folks, okay? So it's a nice simple addition today. Next up, we got custom made. This is going for colour. This is the US customizing in the 1960s. Big old flame job there on a candy red, looking rather sexy. Look at the chrome work on this. Back in the day, eh? So there you go, folks. So that's the magazine quickly done. That lets you know what we've got coming up in the next issue, which is a leaf spring. So we'll be putting that on. So without further ado, let's get the axle parts together. We got a die cast half here, and we got a plastic half here. Okay. Line them up and drop them together. And we're going to be popping 4 screws along the top there, DSO2s. So we'll drop a bit of oil on there, like that. Pop. I've used some of them. And then we'll start from this side and screw them fully home. Like that. Grab the next one. Same process, bit of oil. Just helps the screws go into the die cast a little bit better. I'll just drop that in there. Next up, same process. Get into the habit, folks, of putting a bit of oil on. It really does help. Get yourself one of them little dispensers. They really are brilliant if you're doing a lot of these part works. They do come in so handy. You could also just have a little bit of 3-in-1 in a pot. Just as easy. But I do find that a godsend, that little dispenser. Like that. So that's them all in. That's what we've got. And then we're going to be putting our differential cover on. Now, it's got a distinctive little key cut out at the top there, so it can only go to one way, folks. We'll spin that round, and we want it with that recess just there. Okay. So we got a big prong and a small prong. And we'll just rest them in their relative holes, just like so. And then we can start pressing that in place. There you go. Nice resounding click. So that's what you've got there. We can then now start putting the springs on and joining that onto the chassis, folks. Just like so. Grab our springs. Like that. And then we can pop our chassis section in. And try and get this so that you can see what I'm doing. And we're going over the 2 big holes at the back. And then we want to grab one of them screws. So we'll get that on there. That's that one in. And then we can lift that up. Pop that spring up underneath. Grab our screw and do the same on that side. Like that. Then we can spin it round. And do the screw up now. Just like that. And that is what we want today, folks. Nice bit of rear axle. Just like that. Okay, and then with the leaf springs coming across, we can then tension that up. So that's what you're going to end up with today on your bench with your Ford Falcons, folks. Bit of rear axleage, all in situ, ready for your suspension to be put in. So don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, follow this link. There's a clickable version below in the description. And you too can be building your very own Ford Falcon. Also, to help me out, if you can just subscribe to the channel by clicking little festa, really helps me grow the channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.